Hello everyone and welcome to the lesson 6 of the tutorial system, where today we'll be talking about the what-if analysis two-variable data table. Last lesson we did the one-variable data table, which resulted in this. We have one variable that changes and we use that as an input into the formula input, replacing the price, and here's the output every time. So now we're going to do it in a two-variable way. First, let's split the formulae inputs we need. Let's use quantity and price. So first of all, we need to pick a formula that will be influenced by all of this, and we put it in the upper left corner of the table. Let's pick total profit loss, because that's the easiest to see. Here we go, total profit loss. We just did a cell reference to there. And now let's put in headers, because we like them. Quantity and price. Okay, and now we do the randomization variables, 500, 1000, and then we just expand this up until we reach 1500 or 6000. Price 300, 600, onwards up until we reach 1800. Let's make it that way. And now once we have all of these, we can use the two-variable data table in order to show what changes and what makes it different. So, for the first one, let's highlight all of this and go to Data tab, What-if analysis, Data table, and you notice now we're going to use both of these. Now, row input cell refers to the row, as in this. This is what's changing, and we need to use the row input cell as the input as to what actually changes in the table. So row input cell being price, we use the row input, the cell of price here, and then we go to column input, it's quantity, just the same as in the one variable data table, we replace it with quantity, and click OK. Once all is done, you see the outputs. Let's just make this easier to read, and here you go. As you can see, every time a variable here changes, the corresponding value changes in the row and column. For example, here, 500 quantity and 300 price, we have a net loss of bloody well 900,000, nearly a million losses. While here in quantity 5,000, but at price 300, we have nearly 7 million. That's because price is really low. It makes it so that the variable cost always is greater than the price. There's always that. You can see here at the moment that the price overruns the variable cost quantity, we have some positive variables instead of all negative variables. You can see here, positive, 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 all the way up until here. Because now there's actually an area where the profit will eventually overturn the loss. So basically, that's how you use a two-variable data table. It's pretty simple once you know how to use it. Yeah. Any questions, any comments, just write them below. If you want the video, like it, and see you for the next one, where we're going to be talking about a new data set, as well as using filtering, text to columns, removing duplicates, data validation, and eventually the forecast sheet. Thank you very much.